So let's say you're here, you have this beautiful fan blade and you want to export it to give it to me so I can print it for you. First step, in Onshape, you want to find part 1. You want to click on, okay, you want to control click and then export. If you have multiple parts, which you might or might not, you're going to have to figure out how to turn all those parts into one. You can Google that. That's actually what I had to do here, but it has to be in one part. Okay, so let's give it a fun name. So I'll make this like, I don't know, Levy underscore fan blade. Okay, and if you have multiple parts, you can just separate, export them multiply, that's fine. But notice it'll give you a download. And then you're going to go to Dremel and click on Upload New. Well, actually, so go to My Files, click on Upload New, choose File, and we're going to find this Levy fan blade STL. And it's going to upload that, save and go to My Files, and we're going to do a couple of things to it. First, we click on Repair. So notice I have Levy fan blade STL, because Dremel by default gives you a couple of different like test options. You know, you don't care about those that much. We're going to click on Fix, and it's going to essentially what it's doing is it's giving us a new STL file that is optimized for Dremel. And great, so it's now created this file. So now I'm going to find this one, the Levy fan blade repaired, and click on Layout. Okay, so you want to click on Layout on that and not the original file. Layout, it'll show you the layout. That's nice. I'll click on Save and Slice. You don't really need to do anything to this besides save and slice. Okay, so let's, it gives us a couple of options, and I want to go to here and like make the number of perimeters like 5. That's good. And then click on Slice, and it's going to do two things. One is it creates a new repaired file for us that you don't really care about, and more importantly, it creates a G3 Drem file, which you do care about. Click on Download, and it downloads. Now you have in your Downloads folder 2 files which you can email to me.